everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Listen English, where every conversation helps you grow. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack.
How are you feeling today, Jack?
I'm wonderful today. I had a good walk this morning. The air was fresh and cool. And you, Emma?
I'm, okay, but I have a problem.
A problem? Tell me.
So, last week I was at a party. A friend introduced me to someone new. She said, "This is Emma. She is learning English. Emma, say something in English."
Oh, and?
And I opened my mouth and nothing. 0 words.
Nothing?
Like a fish, my mouth opened, my mouth closed. No words.
A fish, Emma.
It was very embarrassing. I know the words. In my head, I had many things to say, but my mouth, it would not cooperate.
Cooperate. That means work with you, work together.
Yes, my brain said speak, my mouth said no.
I understand this feeling completely. It is so frustrating. I study English every day. I listen, I read, but when I open my mouth, nothing comes out.
Emma, I know exactly what the problem is.
Please tell me.
Your brain has been to school, but your mouth has not.
My mouth has not been to school?
Your brain knows English, but your mouth has not practiced enough, and today we fix that.
Yes, today we train the mouth.
Exactly. Today our topic is how to train your mouth to speak English.
My mouth is listening.
Perfect. Let's start.
But first, a small message.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
And share this episode with a friend who wants to speak English but feels stuck.
Especially a friend whose mouth does not cooperate.
That is a lot of us. Okay, let's train.
Tip number 1. Your mouth is a muscle.
A muscle, like my arm?
Yes, not exactly the same, but your mouth needs training like a muscle.
I go to the gym for my arms. Do I need a gym for my mouth?
Think about it this way. If you want strong arms, what do?
I go to the gym. I lift weights.
Do you get strong arms by reading about lifting weights?
No, I have to actually lift them.
Exactly. The same is true for English speaking. You cannot speak by only listening. You cannot speak by only reading. You must open your mouth and speak.
So all the time I was reading and listening, my mouth was sitting on the sofa.
Yes, your brain was at the gym, your mouth was on the sofa.
That explains so much.
Your mouth is used to your first language, Polish sounds, Polish rhythms. English sounds are completely different.
English sounds sound strange in my mouth sometimes.
At first, yes, but with practice, English sounds become natural. Your mouth learns to make them.
Muscle memory.
Exactly. Muscle memory means your body remembers, like riding a bicycle. At first difficult, after practice, automatic.
I don't think about how to ride a bicycle. My body just does it.
That is the goal for speaking. Your mouth just does it automatically, naturally.
Tip 1. My mouth is a muscle. It needs practice, not just my brain.
Perfect. Tip number 2, shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Yes, like that. You become the shadow of the speaker. You follow them. You copy them.
How does it work?
You listen to someone speaking English, a podcast, a video, and you repeat what they say at the same time or right after them.
At the same time? That sounds very difficult.
It can be at first, so start right after. Listen, then repeat immediately.
And I copy everything?
The words, the pronunciation, the rhythm, the music of their voice.
The music. I like that.
English has a rhythm like a song. Shadowing helps your mouth feel that rhythm.
Let me try. You say something, I will shadow you.
Okay, ready? Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Good. Try to match my rhythm. I am very happy to be here.
I am very happy to be here.
There. One more. My name is Jack, and I love English.
My name is Jack, and I love English.
Very good. You are shadowing.
It feels strange, but good.
At first, strange. After practice,
Natural.
the key is don't stop. Even if you miss a word, keep going. Keep your mouth moving.
Even if I don't understand every word?
Yes, the goal is not understanding. The goal is training your mouth, making English sounds, feeling the rhythm.
What is the best thing to shadow for beginners?
Start with slow, clear content, like this podcast. Pause after each sentence, repeat it, then press play again. So, listen to Emma, repeat Emma. Listen again, repeat again.
Yes, you can shadow me right now. I will say a sentence. You repeat.
Ready?
Every day I practice English for 10 minutes.
Every day I practice English for 10 minutes.
My English is getting better and better.
My English is getting better and better.
See, you are doing it. That is shadowing.
I feel my mouth working harder than usual.
That is the muscle at work.
Tip 2, shadowing. Listen and copy. Keep going.
Perfect. Tip number 3. Warm up phrases.
Warm up phrases?
Yes. Every day, before you do anything else, say 5 simple phrases in English out loud with your voice.
Like what phrases?
Simple ones. I'm ready. Good morning. Let's go. I can do it. No problem. That's interesting. Sounds good. See you later.
These are very simple.
That is the point. Simple phrases every day. Make your mouth comfortable, like stretching before exercise.
If I say these every morning, my mouth wakes up in English.
Exactly. And later in the day, when you need to speak, your mouth is already warm, already ready.
Ah, stretching for the mouth.
Yes, and here's the secret. Say them with feeling, not like a robot.
With feeling.
Yes, if you are happy, say, I'm ready, with energy. If you are tired, say, good morning in a soft, slow voice. Feel the words.
Okay, let me try. I am very happy right now. So, I'm ready. Good energy.
And now I am very tired. Good morning.
Very convincing, Emma. Very tired.
I'm an actor.
When you say phrases with feeling, your brain connects the words to emotion, to real life. They become part of you.
Not just sounds, real words.
Exactly. And after many days, these phrases become automatic. You don't think, you just say them.
Like my bicycle.
Like your bicycle. Tip 3, warm-up phrases. 5 simple phrases every day, out loud, with feeling.
I can do that, starting tomorrow morning.
Starting tomorrow morning. Tip number 4, your home is your English gym.
My home?
Yes, your home is the perfect place to practice speaking. It is safe. It is private. Nobody is watching.
Nobody to laugh at me.
Exactly. So speak out loud at home in English all the time.
About what? What do I say?
Anything. What you see, what you are doing, what you are thinking.
Give me an example.
You are in the kitchen. You are making coffee. You say, I am making coffee. The water is hot. I need my cup. The coffee smells good. Just describe everything.
Yes, like a sports commentator, but for your own life?
Emma opens the fridge. Emma takes the milk. Emma says there is no milk. Emma is sad.
Perfect commentary. Emma is a natural.
What about my neighbors? They'll hear me.
Close the window.
Okay, close the window. Speak English. Simple.
And you can do more. Tell yourself your plans. Today I will go to the supermarket. Then I will call my sister. Then I will watch a movie.
In English, out loud.
Every time you speak out loud, you are training your mouth. You are at the gym, your home gym.
No expensive membership required.
No membership. Free. Open 24 hours.
I like this gym. Can I also practice in the shower?
The shower is one of the best places. No phone, no distractions, just you and English.
Today is a good day. I am taking a shower. The water is warm. I feel good.
Perfect. That is real training. That is your mouth working. Every sentence counts.
Every sentence is a small weight, and my mouth gets stronger.
Yes, one sentence at a time. Tip 4. Speak out loud at home. My home is my English gym.
And tip 5, this is my favorite. Your brain follows your mouth.
Wait, my brain follows my mouth? Not the other way?
Many people think, when my English is better, I will speak. They wait and wait and wait.
That is me. I was waiting.
But here's the truth. Speaking makes your English better. You speak first, then you improve.
So I should speak even when I'm not ready?
Especially when you are not ready.
But what if I make mistakes?
When you speak, even badly, your brain works very hard. It says, wait, we're speaking English. I need to help quickly. Give me words, give me grammar.
The brain wakes up.
Yes, speaking activates your brain. It is much more powerful than only reading or listening.
It's like driving a car. If you want to learn to drive, you get in the car and drive. You don't only read about driving.
Exactly right. The driving teaches you. The speaking teaches you.
So the fish moment at the party, that was my mouth waiting for permission.
Permission it never needs to ask for.
Next time, I just speak, even if it is small, even if it is wrong.
Even if it's wrong, yes, your brain will catch up.
My brain follows my mouth.
Think of it this way. When you speak, you give your brain a job, and your brain is very good at its job. It will find the words, it will build the sentence, but only if you start.
If I don't open my mouth, my brain has nothing to do.
Exactly. Opening your mouth, that is the signal that says, brain, we are speaking now. Help me.
So the fish moment at the party, I just needed to say one word, even one small word, and my brain would have started working.
Yes, one word opens the door. Then another word follows. Then a sentence. Then a conversation.
I will remember that. One word opens the door.
And one more small thing. Your voice is yours. Your accent is yours. You do not need to sound like someone else.
My accent is Polish, and I am proud of it.
You should be. The goal is not a perfect accent. The goal is clear communication. People will understand you and they will respect you for trying.
Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Improve later.
That is the whole lesson.
I feel better already.
Okay, let's review. 5 tips to train your mouth.
Yes. Tip 1.
Your mouth is a muscle. It needs practice, not just reading and listening. You must speak. Open your mouth and make sounds.
Tip 2.
Shadowing. Listen to English, then copy immediately. Copy the words, the rhythm, the music. Keep going even if you miss words.
Tip 3.
Warm-up phrases. Every morning, 5 simple phrases out loud with feeling. I'm ready. Good morning. Let's go.
Tip 4.
My home is my English gym. Speak out loud. Describe your day. Comment on your life. Close the window if needed.
And tip 5.
Your brain follows your mouth. Don't wait. Speak now. Improve as you go. Your accent is fine. Communication is the goal.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
My mouth is trained.
More every day.
More every day.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak and Listen English.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Your mouth is more powerful than you think. Please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
And give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
What is one simple English phrase you will say out loud today? Just one. It can be good morning, it can be I'm ready, it can be anything.
Write it in the comments in English and then go say it out loud.
We would love to read your phrases.
We really would.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English. Open your mouth. Start speaking.
Bye-bye.